So, I know I've had comments that have said something along the lines of, oh, we don't want to see you, we want to see the birds. And I don't care. So, I want to make a point that sometimes birds are loud. Excuse her mess. She just got new toys. And she's enjoying them a good bit, as you can probably tell by the mess that's on the floor there. Anyways, so here she is. I'm gonna leave the room. Here we go. Watch out, guys. I got dogs on the floor. Walk, 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 Sherlock. So, we're going to leave the room. We're gonna, ow. I almost got smacked in the back of the head with a bird. I walked into the kitchen. That's the bird room right there. Y'all think you want a cockatoo. This is what it's like all day. Isadora. This is what it's like. When I leave the room, she gets upset. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. I leave the room and you get upset because you think you're alone when all I've done is walk through a doorway. And then she goes right back to playing with her toys, with her open cage. See? She goes right back to playing. All I did was leave the room and walk into a different room. All I did was walk through an open door. Didn't even close the door behind me. Walk through an open door. Watch, we'll do it again. Come on. We'll go again. I've got a duck on my shoulder. See, here she is behind me. And we walk through the open doorway. Yeah. Yeah. All day. All day, that's what this is like. Do you really want a pet bird? Do you really want a pet bird?